Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the compressor start device in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, flathead screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new compressor start device. The compressor start device is mounted on the side of the compressor. It's a combination of the start relay and overload protector. It provides power to the compressor start and run windings, turning the start winding off as soon as the motor starts running. The overload portion of the device works as an overcurrent protector. If your refrigerator stops cooling and you can hear a click coming from the back of the refrigerator every few minutes, it's most likely a time for the new compressor start device. We need to remove the access panel. I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to take out the screws that holds the panel. And start with this one that holds the ground wire. And we can lift the panel out. Now we need to disconnect the spark plug from the water inlet valve. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver. We're going to prime off. So now I'm going to pull off this line cover. Just grab it on the sides and remove it like this. So now I'm going to take the cover out of the way. Using the needle nose pliers, I'm going to grab this retainer spring and push it towards the compressor and up and release it from the compressor. So you can drop it down. So I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver to pry the compressor start device of the compressor terminals. Be very careful doing that. And now we're going to remove this power plug. Again, I'm going to lift on that tab and disconnect it. So now I'm going to remove the run capacitor. Just pull it out and put it aside. We're going to reuse it. After we'll get a new part. This is the old compressor start device next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So now we're going to install the run capacitor onto this new compressor start device. Plug in the terminals into the cutouts, and this will go over that tower here. Push it in, so it will lock in, and we connect this power plug. It will go in only one way, if it will go in at all. Push it in so the tab will lock, and then we're going to install that onto these terminals right there. Those 3 terminals. Push it in. So now we're going to install this retainer clip. The bottom hook goes into the opening in the compressor bracket at the bottom, and bring it up, push it in, and lock the top hook. I'm going to put the cover back. And so we can place the line cover on. Slide it on that water valve. Push it on. Now I'm going to put the plug back on, push it on the terminals. Now we can put the panel back in. The power cord should be out. And we can attach it to the chassis. Right. I'm going to use the same cord and screws, and I'm going to attach this power cord and the ground wire. Same time, same screw. Alright. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.